Keep moving forward even if it is just a small step. Progress is progress, no matter how slow. Believe in yourself and your abilities. Every step you take gets you closer to your goal. Today we will learn about conjunction and interjection, two parts of speech. इससे पहले कि मैं इनका आगाज करूं, मेरा चैनल अगर आपने सब्सक्राइब नहीं किया तो सब्सक्राइब कर दें ताकि मेरी वीडियो का हर नोटिफिकेशन आपको मिलता रहे. Let's start. A conjunction is a word that connects two words, phrases, or clauses together in a sentence. Conjunctions help to link ideas, show relationships, and create compound sentences. There are three main types of conjunctions. Number one, coordinating conjunctions. Coordinating conjunctions connect words, phrases, or clauses of equal importance. Examples: and. The example of and is I like reading books and watching movies. But. Example: I wanted to go to the beach but it was raining. Or example given: do you want to eat pizza or sushi? So, example of so is I'm tired, so I'm going to bed. Yet, example given I'm tired, yet I need to finish this project. Number two, subordinating conjunctions. These conjunctions connect a dependent clause to an independent clause. Examples: because. Example of because is I'm tired because I didn't sleep well. Since. Example given I have been busy since morning. After. Example given I'll go for a walk after I finish my work. Although. Example given I'm tired although I had a good sleep. Unless. Example given I won't go unless you come with me. Number three, correlative conjunctions. These conjunctions used in pairs to connect words or phrases of equal importance. Examples: both and. Example of both and: I like both coffee and tea. Either or. Either or. Examples: do you want to eat either pizza or sushi? Not only, but also. Examples of not only and but also: I not only like reading but also writing. Whether or. Example given do you want to go whether by car or by bus? Remember, conjunctions help to connect ideas and create meaningful sentences. Now let's start interjection. An interjection is a word that expresses emotion or feeling and is often used to convey strong emotions such as excitement, surprise, or anger. Interjections are usually set apart from other words in a sentence by an exclamation mark. Here are some common types of interjections with examples. Number one, emotional interjections. In emotional interjections, these words are used as oh, wow, ouch, ah, ooh, oh. Exclamatory interjections. In exclamatory interjections, these words are used as wow, great, fantastic, amazing. Number three, imperative interjections. Carry these words: shh, oh dear, good grief, goodness gracious. Number four, interrogative interjections. Carry these words: eh, oh. Number five, emphatic interjections. Carry these words: indeed, certainly, absolutely. Examples of interjections in sentences: oh no, I forgot my phone at home. Emotional interjection. Wow, what a beautiful sunset! Exclamatory interjection. Shh, The baby is sleeping. Imperative interjection. That's a tough question. Interrogative interjection. Indeed, I agree with you. Emphatic interjection. Remember, interjections are used to convey strong emotions or feelings and are often followed by an exclamation mark.